to the very car crash accident that came to light from the national capital. Accused Gaganpreet Makkad has now been taken into custody by Delhi police. This is the killer BMW driver who's been arrested by Delhi cops at this point. These are the latest that we are picking up. This Gaganpreet was behind the wheels and she was accompanied by her husband when the BMW in fact crashed with the very bike, which led to Navjot Singh dying and his wife currently being in a very critical condition in a GTB Nagar hospital, where they were admitted, where they were taken to right after the accident, which has in fact become the major question of the hour with regards to this very case. That why were they taken to a 19-kilometer away hospital in GTB Nagar when the accident took place in southwest Delhi in Dhaula Kuan? So big questions that still remain to be answered. But yes, the action has already been taken by the cops, wherein Gaganpreet Makkad has been arrested. There is an entire investigation into the fact that whether they were taken to the hospital that far away to, in fact, cover up the entire accident. Several questions coming to the light even now, but Shreya Chatterjee joining me on the broadcast to, in fact, bring us some updates, if not answers to the probe at this given point. Shreya, let's understand here, the arrest has taken place. What more are we picking up from the ground?
Well, yes, Gaganpreet has formally been taken into custody by the Delhi police. We are trailing the vehicle in which she's being taken right now. I'll ask my cameraman to just show the Delhi police vehicle. This is the Southwest District Police who is investigating the case right now, and they have officially taken Gaganpreet into custody. We did see that she stepped out of the hospital. Her husband, who was also present in that accident, is still undergoing treatment, is what we are being told, but she was discharged today, and as we've been reporting since morning, the moments after she was discharged, she was taken into custody by the Delhi Police's Southwest District, and these are the visuals that we are getting of the police vehicle that is taking Gaganpreet, where she will have to face interrogation. The main question: why was a hospital 19 kilometers away chosen by the accused?
Absolutely. Those are the questions that are being asked here at this given point. If we are to understand the charges that has been, slapped against Gaganpreet at this given point, what more details can you bring me on that? What is she being booked under?
Well, the initial investigation was as per the hit and drive case, but because this matter also pertained to the fact that there was a destruction of evidence, that was also done, because remember, that is the accusation that came in from the family members, and also there's no plausible reason why a hospital 19 kilometers away was taken, and that's the reason we are seeing the destruction of evidence charges being added, included that death by negligence. And as we talk, the Delhi police vehicle on which Gaganpreet is aboard is right now being taken to the Southwest District. It's the Delhi Camp Police Station, which is formally in charge of the investigation, where Gaganpreet will officially be questioned by the Delhi police, and the interrogation will largely pertain on why a hospital 19 kilometers away from the accident spot was chosen for giving the first aid to the victims, because somewhere down the line, as the victim's family has suggested, that the collision could have been an accident, but what transpired was clearly a case of murder, and that's exactly why we've been highlighting this case since morning. And as the update is now, finally Gaganpreet has been taken into custody.
Right, Shreya. So, viewers, just to let you know, on one side of the screen, we have our colleague Shreya Chatterjee currently, in fact, trailing the very vehicles, the police vehicles that have Gaganpreet with them in custody. And on the other side of the screen, we are bringing to you the exact moment of arrest when Gaganpreet was taken into custody. So, a complete picture that we are presenting to you at this given point of the current circumstances that have come to develop. Shreya, I'll come back to you. You've very rightly pointed out one thing. The investigation, there's an accident that had taken place. It's an unfortunate tragedy that's come about, the crash that took place of the BMW car with the very bike, claiming Navjot's life. But the point is whether it was just the crash which claimed Navjot's life, whether there was a possibility of taking him to a nearby hospital to get him treated and save his life. And also the fact that his wife, who was sitting behind, was also taken, who also got attended to quite late because of taking them to a hospital in GTB Nagar instead of the ones that were much closer by. And that is what the victim's couple's son has also raised at this point.
Well, absolutely. And that's something which does not have any plausible reasons why it would be done. Because you'd see the area that I'm talking is the Dholakua region, which is very close in proximity with the NDMC area. You can take someone to the nearby AIIMS, you can take someone to the Safdarjung hospital. There are as well. This doesn't make sense. Why they would be taking someone so far away? It is something which is to be investigated right now. But
absolutely, Shreya. I think that those are very pertinent points that are being raised at this given point. But yes, the big news that comes in the update is Gaganpreet having been arrested. The BMW driver being arrested by the Delhi police now and now being taken over to the Southwest District Police Station for questioning. So yes, the investigation is currently on. And viewers, with that, we are wrapping this very bulletin. But on the other side, you will be seeing more on this very story where this life has been claimed, but the bigger question than the life being claimed is how has the life been claimed? Was there negligence behind the death, or was it just the accident and the crash?